Today we are here with the Merican team. We are about to do some cleaning, and basically it's just about hood, duct and cooker cleaning. In front here we have a foaming machine. What this does is that we feed it with a degreaser, as you can see, maybe to a certain extent of 1 liter. Then we dilute it with some kind of water. These are purified water, so that it can mix well and bring about some foam. Then after this, we'll go ahead and start foaming the dirty duct and the hood, including the filters. Then upon doing that, we'll go to the next machine that basically does cleaning, like high pressure water cleaning. Number one, I would say to prevent fire, because when the grease builds up in the duct and the hood system, it's prone to fire outbreaks. So to prevent a disaster, it's advisable to maintain earlier. Number two, I would say for legal compliance, it's required by law, actually by the county government through the municipality, for individuals to create a hygienic environment for hotels and restaurants. Number three, improving kitchen environment. By doing this, you create a conducive environment for the staff and also the output. When the kitchen is clean, you are assured of a better output. The next point, I would say to increase the lifespan of equipment. By maintaining your equipment regularly, you have a proper lifespan, because you find that if you don't, when an equipment spoils, you will have to do away with it. But in this case, because you do like regular maintenance, the equipment tends to live longer. If you run cuisine that is based on beef, pork and any fatty food, you will basically have to do frequent cleaning, like maybe in every 3 months or sometimes 2 months. It's determined by the output that you actually have in your kitchen.
Visible grease buildup, excessive noise in the ventilation fans, then bad smell.